Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark, so I'm
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm so excited to have you guys here today. I am going to be doing a late night reset, a relaxing late night clean with me. All three of my kids were in bed, so I really just wanted to get in here and straighten up the downstairs, the kitchen, the living room, and do some laundry. So that is what I'm going to be doing in today's video, and we are starting out in the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of my home, and so this is something that I definitely like to clean up before I go to bed. I feel like there is nothing worse than coming downstairs to a messy kitchen. It just sets me off on the wrong foot. I don't feel productive, and I'm already in a bad mood when I see that my kitchen is dirty. So this is something that I try to do every night, is just get in the kitchen and at least do the dishes and straighten up the countertops. That way it's not so much visual clutter when I come downstairs the next day. Of course, this doesn't always happen. You know, life gets in the way. Sometimes we get busy, we're too tired, whatever the case is. But I really want to encourage you guys to clean along with me tonight. That way we can all wake up to a nice clean home.
can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot.
The first thing that I'm going to be tackling are the dishes. Now again, this is something that I feel like just never goes away. Between the laundry and the dishes, there's always a pile of dishes waiting for me to be cleaned up. So I really just wanted to take some time here and get them washed, either put in the dishwasher or hand washing. That way I could really focus on the rest of the house. Now I will say that this video is a little bit slower paced than my normal videos. I kind of wanted to make it more real time, more relaxing. That way we could, again, just clean together and get our homes cleaned up together.
It's almost like I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. Can't stop.
I do have to run our dishwasher every night, if not every other night. We are a family of 5, and so I do feel like we go through a lot of dishes on a daily basis. So I am going to get that running, and then I'm going to focus on washing out our sink. This is another task that I like to do every single night, just quickly rinse out the sink. Sometimes I'll do a little bit more of a deeper clean, but on a day-to-day basis, I like to just use some dish soap to clean up my sink.
No one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving on me.
And while I am focusing on cleaning out the sink, I did just want to take a few minutes and introduce myself if maybe you guys are recently new to my channel. My name is Whitney. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 kids. I have a 5-year-old son named Barrett, an almost 4-year-old daughter named Savannah, and a 4-month-old baby girl named Maddie. I do a ton of cleaning and organization type of videos here on my channel and all things motherhood. So if that sounds like something that you guys would enjoy, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join the family. I love to meet new people, and I really want to encourage you to leave a comment down below saying hello so that I can welcome you to my channel.
Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away.
I am going to start wiping things down in the kitchen. I'm starting with the kitchen table and then I will kind of work my way around the rest of the kitchen. And while I am wiping down our table, I am so excited because we are actually getting a new table and chairs. I love this table. It's been a great table. It served our family wonderfully, but we just need something a tiny bit bigger. And we are getting a really beautiful table for free from a family friend, so I'm really excited about that. And then I will be getting some chairs in September to go along with that table, so stay tuned for that. I'm really excited. I think it'll just kind of complete the look of the kitchen that I'm going for, and I'm just excited to have a little bit bigger of a table for my growing family. My cooktop had a few scratches and burnt marks and things on here, so I wanted to take a few minutes and give that a nice scrub down. I'm just using the pink stuff and a Scrub Daddy sponge to do this. It's my favorite way to clean my stovetop. I try to do this like once a week, but sometimes honestly it turns more into like once a month. It really just depends on what all I've been cooking and all of that stuff, so I kind of just clean this on an as needed basis.
Hold up just a minute, been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore, 'cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something.
You guys will have to let me know down in the comments if you prefer to clean at night or if you prefer to clean during the day. For me, I feel like cleaning during the day is really pointless because I do have 3 small kids and I feel like I'm cleaning the same 6 messes over and over again. I do clean during the day, but I really just try to focus on like maintaining the house, and then at night I really get in and clean the house. So like during the day, I will pick up the messes, you know, do the dishes from lunch, breakfast, whatever. But then at the end of the day, I like to get in and vacuum and wipe down the counters and do all of the like actual cleaning. Because again, it's just pointless. I feel like my kids are constantly making a mess and I don't want to spend my entire day just cleaning. So I really do like to just focus on the cleaning at nighttime.
And to handle my emotions, I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of time. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was
I'm going to get into the kitchen now and mop the floors. I'm just using some pine sol to do this. I go back and forth with what I like to use, you guys know that, but right now I'm on a pine sol kick. I want to use up that pine sol before I move on to something else, and it just smells really good and fresh and clean, and I feel like it's the perfect scent for summer.
It's all been a waste of time. You waste my time. It's all been a waste of
Life is a winding road. no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
We leave for Georgia in just 1 week when you guys are watching this, and actually the day that we leave I'm posting a productive day in my life video. Not usually something that I would post on this channel, but I'm really excited about it and I hope that you guys will like it too. But I wanted to ask you guys what your kind of tips and tricks are for traveling with small kids, especially a baby. I asked this on my vlog channel, but I wanted to ask you guys here as well, because I don't think, well, we traveled with Barrett when he was a baby, but this was like 6 years ago and when we only had him, so I feel like it wasn't all that difficult. But now we're gonna have Barrett, Savannah, and Maddie. We're driving 9 hours to Georgia. It's gonna be a long car ride, and I'm mostly worried about the baby because I feel like that's just a long time for her to be in the car. I'm not really sure how she's gonna stay entertained the whole time, how we're gonna do naps because she likes to be rocked to sleep. So it's definitely gonna be an interesting experience. So any of your tips and tricks for traveling with a small baby are greatly appreciated, and I would love for you guys to leave those down in the comments.
Where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I'm going to finish off the living room by quickly just wiping down the surfaces in here. I would eventually like to get a coffee table in here instead of just putting all of our drinks on this bookshelf or on the fireplace. But I feel like the space in here is just so narrow that there really isn't a whole lot of room for a coffee table and even like an end table. I just feel like there's no space. And then Maddie's going to be probably crawling and walking before I know it, and so just having a coffee table I feel like is even more of an inconvenience in that sense. But anyway, I'm just rambling just to ramble. So I'm going to finish off in here with the wiping down. I was going to vacuum, but it was really late at this point and I didn't want to chance waking anybody up. So I skipped that, and then I'm going to move on to starting a load of laundry. I'm just doing some of my cleaning towels that needed to be washed, and I wanted to go ahead and start that. Always try to start a load of laundry before I go to sleep for the next day. But anyway, that is going to be it for this late night clean with me. I know it wasn't very long, but I'm trying to keep this realistic because, again, I can't get it all done no matter what time of day. But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.